Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into something really awesome that can upgrade your gaming setup, your creative space, or even just your desk. I'll leave a link to Lecflow.com in the description below so you can grab yours. Check this out. This isn't just another LED light, it's a dynamic canvas for your creativity, whether you're a gamer, an artist, or just a fan of cool tech. It delivers vibrant colors, smooth animations, and it's incredibly versatile. But the real magic happens when you connect it to your phone. Setting up this panel is super easy. The first thing you need to do is download the compatible app, available for both Android and iOS devices. You can find it by scanning the QR code in the manual. Once it's installed, just open the app, power on your panel, and pair them via Bluetooth. It's a quick and seamless process. Now let's talk about the amazing modes packed into this little gem. First up, we have Graffiti mode. This is where your inner artist shines. You can draw anything you like, pixel by pixel, directly on your phone screen, and it shows up instantly on the panel. It's perfect for custom emojis, little characters, or just doodling. Next, there's animation mode, and this is where things get really fun. You can create multi-frame animations, bringing your pixel art to life with movement. Think blinking eyes, walking characters, or even looping backgrounds. The possibilities are endless. Then we have text mode. Want to display a message? Your gamer tag? A countdown? Just type it in, choose your font, your color, and even add effects like scrolling or blinking. It's great for streaming or just leaving little notes. But it's not all just for fun, this panel is also super practical. It comes with a built-in alarm clock, so you can wake up to your personalized pixel art. There's also a scheduler mode to show reminders throughout your day, a stopwatch to time your tasks, and even a scoreboard feature for countdowns, perfect for game nights, workout routines, or tracking progress. that's just the tip of the iceberg. There are so many more modes and features. You can even create animation groups, letting you cycle through a selection of your favorite animations and images. Kind of like a digital photo frame for pixel art. You can also display your favorite still images, making it a truly unique digital photo frame. One of my favorite features? It reacts to music. By enabling the microphone, the panel will create stunning visual effects that sync with your audio. It's amazing for parties, setting the mood during gaming sessions, or just enjoying your favorite tracks with a visual twist. It really brings your music to life. So as you can see, the Lecflow Smart Gaming Pixel Display LED Matrix panel is more than just a novelty. It's a fun, creative, and incredibly versatile piece of tech that can upgrade any space. Whether you're a pixel art enthusiast, a streamer, or just someone looking for a unique way to personalize your environment, this panel has got you covered. And here's some great news. Use the code Redfield at checkout on lecflow.com and get 10% off your order. I'll leave a link to lecflow.com in the description below so you can grab yours. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more awesome tech reviews, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming content. Let me know in the comments, what would you display on your Pixel panel? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.